Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get biotic filters in Warframe. If you are new to Warframe and don't see the Necralisk yet, that's completely normal. The Necralisk becomes available only after completing the Heart of Deimos quest. Until then, features like fishing, daughter services, and biotic filter exchanges will remain locked. Once you have the Necralisk unlocked, head to the Cambion drift on Deimos. You can obtain biotic filters by fishing for Duroid and Aquapulmo. Aim cave and surface hotspots using the correct bait from the Necralisk Syndicate. After catching the fish, return to the Necralisk and speak with Daughter. Select the fish exchange option, and turning in Duroid or Aquapulmo will reward you with biotic filters, with Duroid usually providing a higher yield. Another method is completing isolation vault bounties in the Cambion drift, where biotic filters can drop from containers or bonus objectives during the mission. And that sets it. We just learned when the Necralisk unlocks and the different ways to obtain biotic filters in Warframe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.